RUSAL, the world's top aluminum giant, covers the full aluminum industrial chain, leads high-quality industry growth with strict standards. In scorching summer heat, RUSAL's team braves high temperatures, visits us for custom copper and chromium plating acceptance, showing rigorous professional dedication. Rigorous on-site check of our automated copper and chromium plating equipment receives full standard verification, checking process operation and all parameters to ensure overall equipment quality. Our technicians accompany the whole process. We support acceptance with expertise and service, answering all client equipment queries patiently, for sincere cooperation and win-win growth.
河北瑞斯特表面处理设备整体解决方案专家。